Rum cake, the golden shortcut recipe. This version replicates the famous Tortuga or Bacardi style cake. The pudding mix ensures the cake stays moist enough to handle the heavy rum soak. Ingredient amount: yellow Cake Mix 1 box, approx 15-25 Oz. Instant vanilla pudding, 1 box, 3.4 Oz. Eggs, 4 large dark rum, 1.2 cup, e.g. Meyer's or Appleton. Vegetable oil, 1.2 cup. Water, 1.2 cup pecans or walnuts. 1 cup, finely chopped. Instructions: prep: grease and flour a 10-inch bundt pan. Sprinkle the nuts evenly into the bottom. Mix, combine all ingredients, except nuts, in a bowl. Beat for 2 minutes until smooth. Bake. Pour into the pan and bake at 325 165 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. The soak. While the cake is hot, make the rum glaze, see below. The from scratch masterpiece. Use this if you prefer a denser pound cake-like texture with a more complex flavor profile. Dry, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups sugar, 1 TSP salt, 1 TSP baking powder, 2 TSP baking soda. Wet, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup buttermilk, 2 cup dark rum, 3 large eggs, 2 TSP vanilla extract. Instructions: cream the butter and sugar for 5 minutes until fluffy. Add eggs 1 at a time, alternate adding dry ingredients and the buttermilk your rum mixture. Bake at 325 degrees for 60-70 minutes. The secret: the butter rum glaze. The glaze is what transforms a dry cake into a rum cake. Ingredients: 1 stick, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1 cup sugar, 1/4 cup water, 1/2 cup dark rum. Method: melt butter in a saucepan. Stir in sugar and water. Boil for 5 minutes, stirring constantly, until it thickens slightly into a syrup. Remove from heat and stir in the rum. It will bubble up. Be careful. Pro tips for success. The double soak technique. Once the cake comes out of the oven, leave it in the pan. Poke 50-100 holes in the bottom with a skewer. Pour half the glaze over it and let it sit for 20 minutes. Then, invert the cake onto a plate and brush the remaining glaze over the top and sides. Choose the right rum. Avoid light or silver rum. For the best flavor, use a dark Jamaican rum, like Meyer's, for a smoky, molasses-rich taste, or a spiced rum, like Captain Morgan, for notes of vanilla and cinnamon. The 24-hour rule: rum cake is significantly better the next day. The alcohol bite mellows, and the moisture redistributes. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature overnight. Don't overbake. Because you are adding so much liquid later, people often overbake the cake. Take it out the second a toothpick comes out clean or with J.